Welcome to my channel. See how I'm a mechanic.
Alright, so before you go any further doing a lot of tests like I did, this truck, we replaced the starter thinking that the starter was bad, but it wasn't that. The signal, it wasn't receiving the signal at the starter. So then we thought it was the alarm, the aftermarket alarm that it had on it. So we took out all the alarm, and that still didn't fix the problem. We were still not getting the signal to the starter. So then this is what we did next. After we check all the fuses, all the relays, the ground, the power, everything check out to be okay. Then this is what we did, and this is what we found. Enjoy the video. Please, if you find this helpful, please subscribe, likes and share, and see you in the next one. Took all the alarm system out, completely off, back to stock, but still no luck. Still not starting. Still working on it. Still no signal to the starter. Alright, so what we got here is a 2008 Chevy Tahoe. No crank, no star. So this is what we're gonna do. We already checked a lot of stuff and everything checked out to be okay. So what I'm doing here, I unplugged the positive and negative wire. I'm touching them together to drain everything, all the power out. Next, I'm gonna unplug the BCM over here, which is down here. So it's gonna be 2 connectors on them. I'm gonna put some electric grease on it. I'm gonna wait about 10 minutes and I'm gonna plug everything back in and see if that's started, like, you know, temporary, so I can move it. If that work, then most likely it's gonna need a new BCM. Okay, so that's that one right there. So let me go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you. Okay, so the way you take this out, this is a red clip. So you push that clip back, and then you're gonna press right here. So you push that the red pin back out, and then you press right here, and then you open up the whole little arm right here, which I'm doing it on the bottom right now. There you go. So when you bring this handle back, it actually pull it out for you. I'm gonna put the grease right there. Okay, just some electric grease. So right there you can see I put the grease on both. Alright, so now I'm gonna just wait at least 10 minutes with this touching, that unplugged. Okay, so now I'm connecting everything back. So the way you do it, you put it right there, push it in a little bit, and then you take the handle, and as you pull the handle, it goes in, and then you push the little red clip back in. So I got that on. Now when I unplug these, so I'll do my positive first. Get it tight, make sure it's not moving. Then I get this one over here. sure go all the way down. There. There. Make sure it's good. Alright, so I'm gonna put the jumper on just in case. In case the battery is low or something. I want to make sure. Put that one right there. And I can put this onto the block right here. To the alternator. Hoping that that's making a good ground. Alright. Now, moment of truth. Yes, there you have it. It's running. That's how you do it. Any of you guys having that problem, make sure you do that. Unplug the PCM, unplug the battery first, connect the two leads together, unplug the PCM, put some grease, electric grease on it, then connect everything back on, and bam, you have it. Temporary, you're gonna need a new PCM. Alright, so as you can see, we thought it was an electrical problem, so we took all the alarm off because the alarm was acting up anyways. So you gotta put everything back on, get a new PCM. So shut it off, start it back again. There you have it, it's star. But like I said, this is a temporary fix. You will need a new PCM, so don't think by doing this you already fix your problem. This is just so you can get it home or get it to a shop or something, and so you know exactly what it needs. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Right.